Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about Bluevine versus Relay. Which bank is best? If you're trying to decide between Bluevine and Relay for your business banking, let's compare their key features to help you choose the right fit. Bluevine Business Banking. It has no monthly fees with high interest checking and savings. Business line of credit for short-term financings. Unlimited transactions. It is great for high volume businesses. Seamless integrations with QuickBooks and Xero. So let's talk about Relay Business Banking. It is free banking with multiple checking accounts for better organization. It has advanced cash management tools for bill pay and expense tracking. It also has seamless integrations with QuickBooks for effortless bookkeeping. It also has no minimum balance required, so it is ideal for cost-conscious businesses. The key difference between both of them is Bluevine is best for businesses needing high interest savings, a credit line, and unlimited transactions. On the other hand, Relay is perfect for those who want multiple accounts, advanced cash management, and better financial organization. So which business account do you prefer, Bluevine or Relay? Let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more business banking comparison and expert tips.